Hello friends, so today we will be discussing on the numerical based on the velocity in the mechanism using relative velocity method. So numerical is the crank and connecting rod of theoretical steam engine are 0.5 meter and 2 meter long respectively. Means the length of crank is 0.5 meter and the length of connecting rod is 2 meter. The crank rotates at 180 rpm, means the speed of the crank is 180 rpm in the clockwise direction when it has turned at 45 degree, okay, from the inner dead center. So alpha is equal to 45 degree, determined by relative velocity. Number 1, velocity of position. Number 2, angular velocity of connecting rod. Number 3, velocity of point E on the connecting rod at 1.5 meter from point B. Number 4 point is velocities of rubbing at the pins of crankshaft, crank and crosshead when the diameter of the pins are given as 50 mm, 60 mm and 30 mm. Means crankshaft pin diameter is 50 mm, crank pin diameter is 60 mm and crosshead pin diameter is 30 mm respectively. Number 5th point is position and linear velocity of any point G on the connecting rod which has least velocity relative to the crankshaft. Means ये पॉइंट कहीं पे भी हो सकता है कनेक्टिंग रॉड पे, लेकिन उसका रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी ये क्रैंकशाफ्ट से कम होना चाहिए. ओके, so this is the given numerical. So first of all we have to find out first the given data. So the length of crank is OB, okay, for example, that is 0.5 meter and connecting rod is 2 meter and the angle is 45. Okay, so first of all draw line for the space diagram. Okay, horizontal line with the help of set square or any scale. Okay, this horizontal line. Okay, select a point on the horizontal line anywhere, कहीं पे भी पॉइंट सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो आप. ओके ओके, and here also draw horizontal line, you can select a point. Okay, and from this point draw or mark a point at 45 degree. Okay, from here also again mark a point at 45 degree. Okay, and then join or draw the line starting from the point O to some extent, again from point O to some extent. Okay, I am drawing here two diagram because I want to show here the fault or you can make some error while drawing the space diagram, because velocity diagram is completely based on the space diagram. If your space diagram is accurate, then and then your velocity diagram will be correct. Otherwise, if you will make some mistake in the space diagram, in the drawing of the space diagram, definitely your velocity diagram will be wrong and definitely your answer will be wrong. How it will be, that I will show. Okay, see, this is the your diagram. Okay, so I have chosen here the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 0.25 meter, means this is the crank having 0.5 meter of length, so it will comes to the 1 centimeter because मैंने यहाँ पे चूज़ किया है डबल स्केल चूज़ किया उसका. ओके, so that is why this will come as 1 centimeter and this 2 meter of connecting rod will comes as 4 centimeter, right? This will be 1 centimeter, this will be 4 centimeter. In place of that, suppose आपके हाथ से एक मिस्टेक हो गया कि आपने स्केल चूज़ करते समय में इसको इस तरह से ड्रॉ कर दिया, ये 2 सेंटीमीटर ड्रॉ कर दिया और इसको आपने 4 सेंटीमीटर ही ड्रॉ कर दिया. ओके, हो सकता है गलती से एग्ज़ाम में. सो इस तरह से होने के बाद में यू विल सी हियर योर एरर इन योर कैलकुलेशन और योर ड्राइंग. सी, this is the line in the space diagram. Okay, perpendicular line in the space diagram while looking at the distance is 2 centimeter from the point O, and this is the another line. Okay, this one is the another line. See, this is the first one line, this one is the another line which is perpendicular to this line, which is perpendicular to this line. See, this one, this another second line, and this line. See how much error is there. If you will calculate this distance, okay, so definitely you will get 0.5 meter per second of error. Means 0.5 multiplied with the scale, your answer will be completely wrong. Okay, so while drawing the space diagram, be cautious about the scale while choosing the scale. Okay, so for this problem, just I have taken the scale to be 1 centimeter is equal to 0.125 मीटर, मीन्स 4 टाइम्स ऑफ दैट. सो ये जो 0.5 था ये 1 सेंटीमीटर के जगह पे 2 सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा अभी, राइट. ओके, सो दिस इज द पॉइंट O, 45 डिग्री लाइन, एंड देन ड्रॉ और मार्क द पॉइंट at 2 centimeter, point number B. Okay, this is the point number B. Now from the point number B, as this connecting road is given as at 8 centimeter, 2 meter, sorry, so it will comes as here 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. Okay, 4 टाइम्स किया है मैंने उसको, so 8 centimeter. So from the point B you can mark an arc, okay, on the horizontal line, जो आपका बेस लाइन था पहले का, उसके ऊपर में you can mark an arc and you will get the point number P. This is the slider. Okay, so that is how you can complete your space diagram. Okay, so to find or to draw the velocity diagram, first of all you have to find the velocity of this OB or velocity of point B with respect to O. So to calculate the velocity of point B with respect to O, you have to calculate first of all the angular velocity of point B with respect to O. So angular velocity of BO, okay, angular velocity of BO is equal to 2 pi n divided by 60. So in the numerical it is given that 2 pi n is equal to 180, right, in the given numerical, divided by 60. So angular velocity of point BO, link BO, is equal to 18.85 radian per second. Okay, so now linear velocity of point B with respect to O, जो कि अपने को निकालने का है. So velocity of point B with respect to O is equal to VB is equal to angular velocity of point B with respect to O multiplied by length of OB. Okay, ये जो लेंथ है वो. So 18.85 multiplied by actual लेंथ कितना है अपना 0.85. आपको ये नहीं लेना है, otherwise you will take this value and your answer will be completely wrong. Okay, so actual value is 0.5. So the answer is velocity of BO is equal to 9.426 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो 9.46 अगर मैं यहाँ ड्रॉ करने जाऊँ तो थोड़ी जगह कम है, इसलिए मैं उसको हाफ स्केल में ले रहा हूँ. वाई इट इज़ सो? बिकॉज ऑलवेज ट्राई टू ड्रॉ द वेलोसिटी डायग्राम जस्ट नियर टू द स्पेस डायग्राम. वाई इट इज़ सो? बिकॉज द वेलोसिटी डायग्राम इज़ कम्प्लीटली परपेंडिकुलर डायग्राम और परपेंडिकुलर लाइन्स फ्रॉम द स्पेस डायग्राम. ओके, सो जब भी आप ये अगर परपेंडिकुलर लाइन लेना चाहोगे और अगर ये दूसरे बहुत दूर रहेगा तो एरर आएगा उसमें, ये ट्रांसफ़र करने में, स्लाइड्स करने में एरर आ जाएगा. सो डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग आंसर. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू ड्रॉ द वेलोसिटी डायग्राम नियर टू द स्पेस डायग्राम ओनली. ओके, सो crank OB, to draw the वेलोसिटी डायग्राम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मार्क अ पॉइंट एट एनीवेयर. कहीं पे भी आप जस्ट इसके बाजू में एक पॉइंट मार्क कर लो, दैट इज़ द पॉइंट नंबर O, योर फर्स्ट पॉइंट. एंड द क्रैंक OB, ओके, द लेंथ ऑफ क्रैंक OB विल बी फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम द वेलोसिटी, दैट इज़ 9.46426. अभी मैंने इसको हाफ में डिवाइड कर दिया. सो just a minute, 9.426 divided by 2, so that comes to 4.72. okay, so the length of this one is 4.72. Clear? So just draw the perpendicular line to this one. See here, like this one, ये इस तरह से आएगा यहाँ से. This is just a perpendicular line to the this crank, this perpendicular line to this one. Okay, so the length of this OB is equal to how much will be there? 4.72. This 4 point, this is 1 2 3 4 4.5 4.7. okay, so mark the point B at 4.72 on the line OB. okay, so you will get the first line. Then to draw second BP line, okay, the velocity of BP, again draw perpendicular line, right, this one, like this one, इस तरह से आएगा ये. draw the perpendicular line. ओके, ये इसको परपेंडिकुलर होगा ये फ्रॉम द पॉइंट बी टू समवेयर, ये आगे जाने दो उसको. ओके, ये कितना भी होगा दैट इज़ नॉट फाइनलाइज नाउ. ओके, नाउ अगेन ड्रॉ हॉरिजॉन्टल और पैरेलल लाइन टू द पाथ ऑफ स्लाइडर, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये स्लाइड हो रहा है तो इसको परपेंडिकुलर नहीं आता है कभी भी, ऑलवेज इट इज़ पैरेलल टू द पाथ ऑफ द slider. okay, just this one, horizontal line. So point line O starting from the point O and line B starting from the point B will be intersect at the point P. So you will get this O, B and P. So velocity of B with respect to O is equal to, as per the calculation, so velocity of P with respect to O, or velocity of P is from the measurement, we can find out from the measurement. okay, this is how much is 3.5, 4 meter around. okay, this is 4 or 3.5. okay, whatever be there. So velocity of P VP from the measurement is equal to 4 centimeter. So velocity of P is equal to, क्योंकि अपन ने डबल स्केल चूज़ किया था, इसका हाफ स्केल चूज़ किया था, सो मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2, so it will come as 4 meter per second. So angular velocity of connecting rod, that is BP. Connecting rod is what? BP. So angular velocity of BP connecting rod is how much? okay, so measure the distance of this one. So this one is 1 2 3 and 3.5. okay, so 3.5. clear? So the angular velocity of the connecting rod is equal to, from the measurement, velocity of BP is equal to 3.5 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 7 meter per second. okay, that is the second answer. clear? First is the velocity of the piston, second one is the angular velocity of connecting rod. Now third. okay, third is to find, ये हो गया फाइंड करके, then velocity of point E on connecting rod. okay, find out the velocity of point E on the connecting rod. See here, velocity of point E on the connecting rod. okay, so the point E is at 1 1.5 meter from the Gazan pin. Okay, so VE is equal to velocity of E is equal to vector OE is equal to 4.2 multiplied by 2 means you can see here this. So in the space diagram, this is how much PE is equal to 1.5 मीटर दिया हुआ है, मीन्स व्हाट 1.5 divided by 2 is equal to 0.75. Okay, you can find out the length of this point E from the point P by using two methods. Okay, one is the first this one relation capital BE upon BP from the space diagram and PE upon PB. Okay, so you can find out PE is equal to BE multiplied by BP upon BP. So BE is given, okay, that is 1.5 in this numerical, and 3.5 this is BP. okay, यहाँ से अगर मेज़र करोगे आप तो इसको this one is 3.5 and divided by 2 you will get the 2.6. so this is 1 2 and 1 2, this is 1 2 2.5 2.6. so you can locate the point number E with the help of this kind of calculation also, or otherwise directly you can use another method, that is the length of PE is equal to 1.5 of total length, that is 2. so this is 0.75 means 75% of that. so here the measurement, from this measurement the length of this is 3.5, right, multiplied by 0.75 you will get same answer, 2.625. okay, so from the point number P you can measure the distance 1 to 2.5 2.62 and you can mark the point number E. okay, so that is how you can find out the locate the point number E and then measure the distance of OE, that is 4.2. okay, velocity of E is 4.2 meter per second. okay, so this is how you can calculate the, or you can get the answer. Second is rubbing velocity of crankshaft connecting crankshaft, crank pin and crosshead. so diameters are given, that is DO is 0.50 mm, that is 0.05 meter, crank pin 60 mm 0.06 meter, and crosshead you can say P, that is 30 mm 0.03 meter. so first of all find out the rubbing velocity. so what is the rubbing velocity actually? The rubbing velocity is nothing but the algebraic sum between the angular velocities of the two links, okay, which has connected by pin and joints and multiplied by its radius of the pin. okay, let us say for example angular velocity of 1 is there, A1, okay, of link A, link 1, and angular velocity of link 2, that is second link, if it is joined at point A, any point. okay, so this is angular velocity of one link, this is the angular velocity of second link, and multiplied by radius of that pin, this is the rubbing velocity of the pins, okay, the links. so rubbing velocity of first pin of crankshaft, so rubbing velocity of O, the crankshaft, which is starting point. okay, so diameter of O divided by 2, okay, multiplied by angular velocity of BO, so 0.05 divided by 2 multiplied by 18.85, which is equal to here 0.47 meter per second. Second one is the rubbing velocity of pin of crank, that is r. Okay, so diameter of B which is given here 0.06 मीटर डिवाइड बाय 2, क्योंकि ये डायमीटर में दिया है तो इसको डिवाइड बाय 2 करने से रेडियस हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे भी रेडियस हो जाएगा ये. ओके, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ऑफ बी ओ प्लस एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ऑफ पी बी. यहाँ पे अपन ने एडिशन लिए है और फर्स्ट केस में अपन ने एडिशन नहीं लिए है. वाई इट इज़ सो? बिकॉज यू कैन सी हियर दिस इज़ दी ओनली वन लिंक, फर्स्ट लिंक. ओके, ये लिंक किधर भी ज्वाइन नहीं हुआ है. दिस इज़ दी ओनली वन लिंक. पॉइंट नंबर ओ, अगर यहाँ इसका अपन रबिंग वेलोसिटी निकाल रहे हैं, सो दिस इज़ ओनली वन लिंक. देर इज़ नो लिंक, देर इज़ नो टू लिंक्स, एंड दैट इज़ वाई this point O is not joined at the two links, and that is why this is the fixed one. Okay, so this is that is why there is no addition of these two links. Okay, but at the point number B you can see this crank and connecting rod is joined at point B, right? यहाँ एक पिन लगाया हुआ है as point B, and then the rubbing velocity of this will be addition of these two divide or multiplied by the radius of this pin. Okay, that is why here rubbing velocity of B is equal to diameter divided by 2 multiplied by angular velocity of B with respect to O and angular velocity of connecting rod. This is the crank, this is the connecting rod. Okay, so we'll get the answer. Rubbing velocity of B is equal to 0.6675 meter per second. रबिंग वेलोसिटी एट क्रॉस हेड, दैट इज द पॉइंट नंबर पी, इज इक्वल टू, एक ही लिंक है वहाँ पे, डी सी डायमीटर ऑफ सी विच इज़ गिवन हियर इन द न्यूमेरिकल, दैट इज 0.30 mm डिवाइड बाई 2. ओके, मल्टीप्लाइड बाई एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ऑफ पी बी इज इक्वल टू 3.4. सो यू विल गेट द आंसर ऑफ रबिंग वेलोसिटी इज इक्वल टू 0.051 मीटर पर सेकेंड ऑफ क्रॉस हेड. ओके, एंड थर्ड वन इज द piston and linear velocity at point Z on connecting rod. So point Z is located at anywhere, it is not mentioned in the numerical. So generally ये कहाँ पे